Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to install Norton VPN on router. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. You cannot install Norton Secure VPN directly on most routers. Norton VPN is designed for apps like PC, Mac and phone, not for a router firmware, but there are two ways to use Norton VPN with a router setup depending on what you want. So method 1 is send Norton VPN from a PC to the router. Simply install and connect Norton Secure VPN on your PC by heading over to the browser and then downloading the Norton VPN application. Then once done, open the control panel, then select network and internet. Then once you select network and internet, select network connections and then simply right click on Norton service, secure VPN adapter, then click on properties and then click on sharing. Then check allow other networks user to connect and select Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Then connect to Fire TV or TV/devices to that network, and all connected devices now use Norton VPN. PC must stay on. The next method is router level VPN. If your goal is VPN on the router itself, Norton is not the right VPN. Why? Norton does not provide open VPN or WireGuard config files. Routers need .ovpn or WireGuard profiles, and Norton blocks router level installation. Some best router VPN alternatives are NordVPN, SpaceVPN, Surfshark, and IPVanish, and they work with ASUS routers, Netgear, TP-Link, and OpenWRT or DDWRT. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.